Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNGX. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. This one was all over the place today. Nice price action. I actually traded it. But let's get some things updated here from the overall chart perspective. Things were looking really nice. And then kind of the final portion of the day was kind of a buzzkill. And I'll explain what I mean by that. And that all revolves around this $3.90 area, which for the majority of the day had been that key level of support. So obviously the big move happened here. And then the price pulled back, and then found support. And then found support, and then found support. So this 390 area was doing a fantastic job of holding that support. And then all of a sudden the last portion of the day came around, so late afternoon. And not only did the price break down through that level of support right there, but the bears picked up some more momentum. Now, I'm not saying that just because that happened, this thing's headed down to $2.50 tomorrow. Not saying that, but just kind of, from more so the overall quote-unquote story perspective, it would have been a whole lot better, if the price had been able to continue to hold up above 390. Now, this is where the first area of resistance comes into play, and that's based off a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So yeah, 390 was a level of support throughout pretty much the entire day, but now that the price is below it, with any sort of bounce tomorrow, 390 is going to be that initial area of resistance. If the price can get back up above there, the next key area of resistance up there at $4.35. As far as levels of support are concerned, pretty straightforward at this time. It's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, and that'll be the level. I'm not going to assign a numerical value to that because keyword there being moving, so that level and that value is going to change over time. If the price cannot hold above that, then I'm not saying it's headed down here to close the gap, but that's kind of the catch-22. When you have monster moves like this, it does tend to create bigger spaces between areas of support. So, preferably speaking, yeah, you definitely want to see it hold up above that 50-period simple moving average. But no doubt about it, whole lot of volume in this one today, price action all over the place. So we'll see how it all unfolds tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.